Welcome to Dobby's Repairs. I'm Dobby the Fixing Elf, and this is what's in my toolbox, the series where I show you the tools I use to repair cars and fix things. So let's find out what's in my toolbox today. And in this instalment, we have this Rolson 4.8 volt cordless screwdriver. Pretty handy little screwdriver. Comes with a variety of extra bits as well. It comes with a set of bits, drill bits, and some more flatheads, and a bit driver, and then some Phillips and some torque bits. Pretty handy little bit selection there. It's a pretty handy little screwdriver. It's got a forward and reverse function on it. It also has a battery check light on the back there. Hopefully you can see that on the camera. It might not be too bright. It also has a little LED. Can't really see that very well. Let me turn the light on the top. So as you can see, it's got a little LED that you can turn on or off, which is pretty handy. Let me turn the light back on, bear with me 2 seconds. It's not the brightest light, the batteries are getting a bit dim. We'll work on the lighting situation better in the future. Yes, so it's a pretty handy little thing. I'll just show you it running in a quick screw into a piece of wood. So let me just adjust the camera for you slightly so you can see down. There we are. Yeah. Just get it on here, nice and easily, and then we'll just screw into this piece of wood. Make sure it goes the right way. And you see it goes in relatively easy. Got a fair amount of torque. It's not the most powerful, but it's got a fair bit of torque to it. Also, it comes with a charger, so just plugged it in here. So the charger goes in the back here. It's got this lovely little LED light here that tells you when it's fully charged. You see it's quite low, the battery on this. I've used it a fair bit, mainly for flat back furniture. The charge time is about 2 to 3 hours, so not that long at all. And on to my final thoughts about this little cordless screwdriver. I like the pistol grip, really handy. I wish you could adjust it, but you can't. It's like just literally this is the only angle you can have it at. I've reviewed one of these previously that you could adjust it, which is slightly better than this one, but it's quite a handy little one for basic DIY tasks around the house, putting in screws and such. So yeah, I'm going to give this a 3 out of 5, so the spanner should pop up here. Pretty useful. And yeah, not bad if you need a quick and easy cordless screwdriver, pick this one up. If you enjoyed this video, why not drop a like? Any questions or feedback, let me know in the comments. I normally drop 2 videos a week, so if you haven't subbed to the channel yet, you should, and then you'll never miss another video. Do you know anyone else who would enjoy watching this video? Then feel free to share it with them. Thanks for watching until the end. Have a sensational day.